So hey everyone, welcome back on our new video. And in this video, I'm gonna discuss about my 5 lessons that I've learned in my 2024. As 2025 is just few days away, and we need to change something, man. What's the point of the year change if we are not changing ourselves, right? So let's begin without any delay. So the first lesson that I've learned in 2024 is stop caring much. There are a lot of people that will going to judge you, that will affect your mental health. What is the solution? Just one solution: stop caring much, because it's just a temporary feeling, it's just a temporary thought. Nobody can care about what you are doing on a long term basis, right? Because they have their own life, they have to do their own shit, right? So just think about your work, just think about yourself, just think about your health and your family. That's all matters, right? So yeah, avoid fear of being judged, because that's gonna change completely the way you think. So the number two lessons that I've learned in 2024 is don't be rush. Don't be rush in anything, whether it's your goal, whether it's you in relationship, or whether it's you doing some specific work. Just don't be in rush, man. It will take time. There is no shortcut, man. Everything which give you the result will take time, right? So just don't be in rush. Be focused in your work, be focused on doing it consistently, because when you maintain that consistency, the result will automatically pay you out, and you will see that effect of getting the result, right? So it will compound slowly, you will not get the result over the night, right? Try to just be consistent and forget about the result, forget about everything, right? Too slowly, but do it consistently. The number three lessons that I've learned in 2024 is investing in yourself, investing in the product which give you the return, right? Many times we just invest in all the rubbish things that we not actually need, right? So we should must invest in the thing which give you the return, which make or add some value in your life, right? Like investing in your gadgets, like proper laptop, investing in your health. That all are the investment that we need in our life, right? Especially in a college time where we actually need to plan our investment, because we got the limited budget, man. We are not earning anything, right? If you are not earning, then you have to invest wisely, invest the thing which can add the value in your life, and that's a good investment. You should not invest in that fancy cloth, invest in some good pair of cloth, quality cloth, and that's enough. You just not to get updated with the trend, you just have some evergreen clothes which you can wear in any season, or which you can layer up with any season. Invest wisely is very important learning which you should must have, and you should must implement it in 2025, right? The number four learning that I learned in 2024 is it's very important to master the skill. So it is very important to master one or two skills, whether it is communication skills, whether it is your coding skills, whether it is your like presenting skills. Whatever you are in interested, you should must master that particular skill. We need to choose a particular niche, and we need to master that, because in today's world, nobody gonna care about how many different things you learn. Everybody care what in one skills you are mastering, right? So yeah, it will pay you out later, and it will pay you in every situation. So mastering any one skills, or one or two skills, is very important, and important learning in 2024 that I got. So the number five and the last learning which I learned in 2024 is your circle define your habits and your aspirations. So being in a good circle is much more important than being in just variety of circles, or being in touch with lots of people. So yeah, maintaining a good circle where everybody is dedicated, where everybody is aspire to do something, and yeah, just try to build a culture where you are helping others, others are helping you. I know many of you heard the quotes that energy flows from higher states to less higher states. When you are in the circle where everybody have higher energy, you will feel motivated to do something, you will feel energized to crack something, or to make an impact or build something. So that's my five learning. I hope you got something from this video, and will implement in 2025. So yeah, this is all about, and I meet you in my next video. Till then, take care.